In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google's Nano Banana to merge 5 images into one. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take 5 separate photos and blend them into a single cohesive image using Google's image creation tools inside Gemini. Have your 5 images ready on your computer or phone before we start so the process is smooth. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini. You're looking for the official Gemini page from Google. Click through to the Gemini app. If you're prompted to sign in, use your usual Google account so you can access the creative tools. Once you're in the Gemini app, look for the Create Image option. Click that to activate Nano Banana, which is the feature that handles the image generation for this project. You'll see an area where you can enter a prompt and a button to add images. Click the plus sign to upload your reference images. Select all 5 images you want to combine. It helps if they are clear and well lit, and if possible, use similar resolutions so the final composition feels balanced. Most common formats like JPG and PNG work well. If an upload fails, try a slightly smaller file or reselect the image to refresh the upload. Next, craft your prompt. The clearer you are, the better Nano Banana can understand how to merge the visuals. For example, you can type, combine these 5 images, a gorilla, an eagle, a honeybee, a boat, and a sword, into a single, visually stunning fantasy scene. Make the composition look natural and cohesive, as if all elements belong together. This gives the tool both your subject list and your creative intent, which helps it place and blend the elements convincingly. When your images are attached and your prompt is ready, click Submit. The system will process your request and generate the merged image. This can take a moment, especially with multiple references. Be patient while it thinks. When the result appears, look closely at how each element has been integrated. If the composition isn't exactly what you envisioned, refine the wording in your prompt to emphasize placement, mood, or scale, then submit again to iterate toward your ideal outcome. That's all there is to it. Go to Google, open Gemini, activate Create Image to use Nano Banana, upload your 5 images, write a clear prompt, and submit. With a little prompt tuning, you'll have a polished, single image that brings all 5 visuals together seamlessly.